Meaning of hayloft.
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 Hayloft. A hayloft is a space in a barn or other agricultural building used for storing hay. Typically, it is located on the upper level of the structure and may be accessed by a ramp, stairs, or elevator. The hayloft is used to store bales of hay, which are a staple food source for many farm animals, particularly horses and cows. Hay is often stored in the loft to keep it dry and free from pests. It can also be used as a place for farmhands to sleep or as a storage area for other farm equipment or supplies.